chim chim. Yummy, yum, 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 tom, tom, tom. Catch the sun, catch the moon. Let's go, go, go and catch our dreams.
Meanie,
Miney,
Mo,
Here you go, off you go. Dream, dream, catch your dream in your English playground.
Good sounds and bad sounds.
hey everyone, it's me, Mr. Mo. Are you ready to play with me again today? Good! Come on, let's go. Come this way. Is everyone here? Oh. What's that sound? I can hear something. Hey friends, can you see it? Huh? A clock? Oh, I can see it too. It's a bomb! Ah! Just joking. I love you, friends. Oh, hey, the door's open. Come on.
Meanie,
Miney,
Mo!
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Let's play boom, boom, boom. Yeah! Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
let's play chim chim chim.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
let's pick the right one.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Woo, woo, woo!
Yeah! Ha-ha! Hello, everyone.
Hello, Mr. Mo. Hey, I have a present for you.
Wow! A present?
Wow.
Yeah, here it is.
Wow. What is it?
It's a magic phonograph. It gathers beautiful sounds.
아름다운 소리를 모은다고? 그럼 이 축음기를 틀면 아름다운 소리를 들을 수 있는 거야?
Yes, you can hear beautiful sounds and see the beautiful scenes.
뭐? 아름다운 그림도 나온다고?
Yes, it's a magic phonograph.
정말 신기하다. 이거 틀어봐도 돼?
Of course. Turn it on.
Thanks, Miney.
Wow. Can you hear that?
Yes. What a lovely sound. I like that.
Who makes that sound? Hey, can you see it? I can see a bird too.
Wow, it's amazing. Let's hear another sound.
Can you hear that?
Yeah. 얘들아, 너희들은 누가 부르는 노래인지 알지? 맞아. 바로 그 애가 부르는 노랫소리야.
Who makes that sound? Hey friends, can you see? I can see 뿡뿡이 too.
I love you. Bye.
All right then. Did you have fun?
Yeah!
It was really fun.
근데 나도 이 축음기 속에 아름다운 소리를 모아보고 싶어.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, okay. You can do it. Beep-a-dee-bop-a-dee-boo.
Wow! What are these?
They are magic bags. Gather the sounds and scenes in the bags.
아, 그러니까 여기 이 마술 주머니에다 아름다운 소리와 그림을 모을 수 있다는 거구나.
Yes, yes.
그리고 나서 이 축음기 속에 그걸 다시 넣는 거고.
Yes, you are genius, Eenie.
Thanks.
얘들아, 아름다운 소리를 찾으러 함께 갈 거지?
Let's go!
Yeah, come on. Let's go!
Good luck, Mr. Mo and Eenie.
Ah. Can you hear that?
Yeah, how lovely. I like that sound.